nirutse mungere baririmbe nk'utuye z'ibigango y'amarere cyane rudakanga mukuzi cyane umunsi natanyije mahina baje birwa bigemba banketse ku muhozi natimbye kurusoza rutabikagwa mpabwa isawa aha ese senjewe nkundi yunsekeye mwiza ntukame kuremariza mwiza ngwe nasige kubwa nkundirwa kurusha mwiza wari woye umubiri wose yizire mwiza wanje urabaruta mata akwabasha inkanda yo gacakambara ubukombe dore umwiza w'i Rwanda yo mama yo muhongwa Marisa yo mama indakera kuvusha rusaganira mu mahanga kwijoro aho yaturutse mu ijuru rya Ruteta aramuturutse ari muri komeye cyane i Rwanda wabo wabeza niho bakomora ubu bwiza nkakundi yumfashe mu biganza ukunda ari umweru udasaza mwiza wanje urabaruta igikobwa we mata ako basi inkanda iyo ugaca akamara ubukombe mama yo mama yo mama we
inyange muhora cyeye n'uwabana twaganaga uramukiye nera hejuru ngo wogeza nurihe binyabiganye no ikizi zaburanga dore ibiganza bigamariza wari umubyeyi tukagusanga inongere ngire n'ikaramu kuragituze kuragituze ukuranye ubwiza ukabanigezi koko urenze ngwihoreze umutesi ireku nakundwe n'ukuru urabikwiye dore imivugo nterure nyigusendereze mu ruhanga nimara kugukwira uruhando nkwereke inshuti nakunze ningehimaro ushikireze urehime ugatembimba wazihi nimumurehe barasa n'isimi imwebwe mwamuturane kwariye moryiza rimwe rita inyamibwa nge nzakomeza ndirihimbe ya mbyino y'urukundo rudakangwa n'ibihita niruhirwe n'ihururu niruhoshe ngo ruhore cyangwa se ruhonge ibibi irahira kuze kusa n'uburoso rwiza rusa gahambanya kuramawe rugasusurutsa umurima wose inarya azuba nirizime ngusezerereho umushinga wa Nyirihiro ubeho neza Gitego mu bakobwa amaruru umutengatenge urumucyo uhoraho rurihogoza ry'ikeza urikemeranyiko uricyunga miryango sigara neza inyange y'umuhorake tumuha amashyi n'impundu shimwe wacu
impundu babyeyi impundu zivuga urwunge impundu twakira umwiza wacu impundu babyeyi impundu nyinshi impundu zivuga urwunge nuko
shengera umusanga umuganiriza aticwa n'irungu umureba intore idasanzwe maze gukubuhure mwicaranye natwe abareba twese mudukubuhure by'urukundo rumwe ruramba kandi ntiruhara rugwe rwarundi rw'imamo koko umva nagira uturukundo rumwe ruramba kandi ntiruhara rugwe umva nagira uturukundo rumwe ruramba kandi ntiruhara rugwe shengera umuganiriza aticwa n'irungu umureba intore idasanzwe maze gukubuhure mwicaranye shengera
ngira ngo mwabibonye uko umwana w'umukobwa iwacu Rwanda asohoka ava mu rubohero no mu turimo tw'imuhira aza mu birori nk'ibi ngibi ntabwo aza kimwe n'umwana w'umuhungu haba hari uturimo twinshi bagikora akaba ari byo rero mwabonye aha ngaha kandi aza ashengerewe nawe rero turagira ngo tubasuhuze turagira ngo tumenyeshe Naomi ibyabereye ahangaha ni ibintu byiza cyane, ntabwo wabikurikiye kandi ibyo koko wari uri mu tundi turimo twimuhira, ariko urabona abantu uko bangana. Uyu ni umuryango wa Kamari, subira inyuma urebe kandi usuhuze, umuha amashyi menshi cyane. Urebe uyu muryango wa Michael Tesfaye nawo usuhuze. Iyi mbaga rero y'Abanyarwanda iraha hagarariye benshi, urabizi ko uzwi na benshi kandi bagukunda. Cyo nacyo ngira ngo nkikumenyeshe, hari benshi bifuje kuba barahangaha ariko batashoboye kuhagera, ariko barahagarariwe. Uyu munsi rero ni umunsi wawe, twaje aha kubera wowe. Uyu muryango mugari waturutse mu rundi Rwanda rwo hirya kure, ahantu hitwa muri Ethiopia. Waje kamuhabwa none akaba yaje, ukawumubona ko mwamuhaye amashyi, waje nkamugushyikiriza rwose nawe.
Murakoze murakarama.
Ino rwose mugushyikirize nawe umutima usubire mu gitereko. Inshingano wari wahawe uyu munsi umenye yuko rwose wazirangije neza.
Murakoze cyane.
Gahorira umuramutse so.
Naomi, uraho? Gira so. Wewe ute? Yego nuko mwana wanjye. Turakwishimiye. Murakoze namwe kandi.
Murakoze namwe cyane, ndumva Naomi turarangije.
Bavandimwe, dore umugeni mwantumye cyane.
Yes, round of applause. We want to see how you do in Eritrea when the bride is here in the family. Make it happen. I want to see that. Yes, let's our family see the way you enjoy the bride. Yes, amazing, amazing, amazing. Michael, stand up and come forward. Shinjagira gitore rwose. Super. Yes. A serious hug, a wonderful one. Round of applause, and gentlemen. Round of applause, round of applause. Super, 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 super. This is amazing. Oh, yes. I know, Michael, you've got flowers that you want to give to your love. A symbol of the great love you have to her. Yes, this is to you. Once again, round of applause. Look at how it is. Great, amazing, amazing. Metron, Maren, uraza kumufasha Naomi wegere. Yes, Michael has got a gift also to give to Naomi on top of the flowers. Yes, this is amazing. Oh, once again, round of applause, and gentlemen. I know Naomi has also prepared a gift for the parents of Michael. We start with the gift of the mom of Michael, please. I would appreciate if the ladies will stand up so that you come forward. Stand up, ladies. All those that have got those gifts, stand up and come. Yes. This is a special gift that Naomi designed for the mom of Michael to say, thank you, mother, for having brought to this earth an amazing, handsome boy like Michael. Yes. Our round of applause, ladies and gents. Oh, yes, expressing the happiness. This is amazing. This is amazing. So that it takes some nice pictures. These are great time. Mama Michael so happy. He's like, thank you, son, to bring us in Rwanda to see what's going in this. Yes, there's a gift for the father of Michael also. Special gift for the father of Michael. Yes, special gift for the father of Michael. Yes, special gift for the father of Michael, ladies and gents. Amazing, amazing, amazing. The father is so happy. Oh, yes. It's got a meaning to each and everything. Great. It's not enough. It's not enough, Dad. It's not enough. Yes. Ah, yes. So I know, Michael, you prepared gift for the parents of Naomi, right? Yes. Let's bring the first gift of the mother of Naomi, please. The gift for the mother of Naomi. Yes, bring it.